Clean girl look. And what is a clean girl look without first cleaning your face? So I will be using the CeraVe face foaming facial cleanser, which is what I use for my face on most days, to clean my face like so. You do not need too much. A tip here is that whenever you are using a cleanser of whatever kind, you should either take the time to massage it into your skin, sure that you get all the benefits of the cleanser on your face. So you don't just want to put it on your face and just go wash it off. No, you want to actually let it sit, or just keep massaging it into your skin. I like to massage up. Massage up is good for your lymphatic nerves on your. I have now washed my face. I do not use anything to wipe my face, but just let your face air dry, or use a clean tissue or a clean paper towel, anything that will not leave lint on your face. All right, so the first product I'm going to be using is this Thayer's Calming Facial Mist. It has cucumber and watermelon extracts, like for real. We're going to be spraying our face with this, like so. It's going to restore the balance to the face through the, you know how my face is looking all dry and crusty. This is going to kind of bring things, I think I shouldn't be talking while doing this because I'm kind of tasting the toner. So this is a toner, okay? Any toner that you have is going to work. All right, so I'm gonna let these kind of like sink into my face. I'm not gonna touch my face, I'm not gonna rub it. It's gonna go into my skin. The next product I'm going to use are going to be two moisturizers that I'm going to mix. I love to mix stuff. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid again. Neutrogena makes amazing skincare products. Trust me, I've been using them since I was a teenager. And judging by my age right now, that's been a long time. Okay, so yeah. I can vouch for Neutrogena. Of course, Neutrogena, I'm going to be mixing that with this. This is for breakouts. It has salicylic acid as the active. I'm going to be mixing this to moisturizer. So I'm going to have to look in the mirror to see what I'm doing because, girlfriend. A bit of this. This is the oil-free acne moisturizer, pink grapefruit. It has a pink grapefruit flavor. I do not think it has actual pink grapefruit in it. This is sunscreen, okay? Nivea. Well, how do you pronounce this? But anyway, this is the Sun Super Water Gel SPF 50, okay? And it doesn't give me a white cast. Hello, my yummy ones. All right, so the clean girl look, baby. Okay, so I was like, what is this clean girl look all about? What are we gonna be doing? I've been seeing this trend. I am not on TikTok. My daughter told me about it. And she doesn't even own the phone. Yeah, so I'm like, clean girl trend. What is it? What is clean girl? I'm a bushwoman, so just forgive me. So the clean girl look is about that. It's still in keeping with the no makeup look, which I don't get, but we're going to do a little something about that. We're going to try it, right? That's why we're here today. So let me do my own version of the clean girl look. The clean girl look is using just as little products, makeup products on your face as possible. That's what the clean girl look is about. Okay, all right. So basically, you don't use all your normal, you don't go through all your normal makeup routine, blah 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 blah. You know, 5 products or less. But we're going to use a little more than 5 products. A little more than 5 products. Okay. Right. So the first product you saw in the clip before. Face is clean, the face is nice and prepped and ready for this whole clean girl trend. Okay, so now we're going to be going in with one of my faves, e.l.f. Okay, e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer, because we want that face to be glowing. We want you to think that it's my skin, but better, okay? I want you to think that I woke up like this. Oh, so I love this primer. So after putting my primer, I am going to be using this NARS concealer because I do, you know, clean girl look now, flawless skin, you know, but we don't have flawless skin, but we're going to fake it till we make it. So this is what the skin is looking like. Concealed the dark spots. Can't really see it now, you know, kind of cover that up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Honeycomb number 20. Right, so we're going to be using this as a concealer. Okay, right there. Really, I'm supposed to color correct and do all of that, but you know, we cannot use too many products, so it is what it is. Okay, okay. All right, so that is a foundation that I'm using as a what? Concealer. All right. You can see I haven't put anything on my forehead. I've woken up my eyes, clean girl makeup, woke up like this. And now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Putty Blush in, I do not remember or know the name or whatever, but it looks like so. Yes, it does. Okay, and we're going to be giving some life to the cheeks. Now I'm going to be using my favorite CoverGirl product. This is the Full Spectrum Powder Foundation. This is in Golden Tan. I'm going to be using that all over the face now. Now we're going to give life to the face. Like I'm using this small brush so I can get into all those areas. I don't even know what number this product is. I'm going to be putting it everywhere, even under my eyes. So I'm going to be showing you the difference. I'm only doing one side so you can see the difference in both. Okay. Okay, do you guys watch Jennifer on YouTube? Jennifer is my favorite girl. I love her. So this side has powder foundation and this side does not have powder foundation. Can you see the difference? This just looks all ashy and I just look two-tone like Coke and Fanta, you know? Okay, so that is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to use a bigger brush because this brush is wasting my time, but this little brush will get into the nooks and crannies such as my nose, around my nose, but you know, to each his own. Oh, I'm always happy when I'm hitting pan because I just feel like my money is not wasted. Yes, big brush. This is an Amazon brush, looks just like the It brush, and yes, all over the face. Oh yes, beautiful. Still looks highlighted under there. Again, this is the no makeup clean girl look, so we're not supposed to be looking like we have on too much makeup, you know. And it's funny how the guys say that this is what they like this clean girl look, and I'm just everywhere with my conversation. I'm going to be going into bronzer. I was talking about the weather and I was talking about where I am. The weather has a mind of its own. Sometimes it's cold. It's supposed to be almost summer and sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's rain. It's just weird. I don't see the summer anywhere. Anyway, let's go in and bronze the face a little bit. Don't need too much. Not too much, just to give some dimension to the face so my face doesn't look like just one color. The blush is still there, but I'm still gonna, you know, add a little bit, just a little bit, yeah. Okay, yeah, so this is just to give dimension. I'm sorry, the Absolute Pro bronzer in medium or dark, actually dark. Yeah, so I haven't done my brows and I may not. Should I? Do you think? What do you think? Should I do the brows or not? So I'm going to do my brows. I cannot talk to you while I'm doing the brows, honey. It's just a brow pencil. That is all we're going to be using. Just this brow pencil. No brow gel. None of that. And hopefully, pray for me. In keeping with the clean girl look, I don't want to use any concealer, but if it doesn't come out right, I gotta use that concealer, girl. I just got to. Pray for me, honey. Pray for me. Use this Beauty Bay Fairy 2.0 palette. It looks like so. Yes, boss. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right? So many colors to play with. I chose this palette for this look. Again, it is Clean Girl. I'm looking for my Clean Girl brush. This is the Clean Girl brush. This is the color brush, actually. I'm going to be using this, you know, this is very natural, very sultry, very simple. Bagel. Okay, Clean Girl look. Hey. Hey. Wow. Wow, Beauty Bay. I didn't know I would have been buying these people's palettes since. Beauty Bay. Wow. This is the color that I'm using, and I wasn't even expecting it to show off. It looks so, look at it. It looks so drab in the pan, but and I didn't put on any primer. Again, less product. I didn't put on any primer. If you were watching, only my powder foundation. That's it. Oh. Follow trends on TikTok. First of all, I'm not on TikTok. Don't have the time for it. Personally, I think that all of these, I'm going to be changing to another brush, and I'm going to use, I think, I don't want anything too much, so I'm going to use Acorn. That's this color right there. Okay, fingers crossed. I personally think, oh wow, okay, so just very little, just to bring some life to my eyes. Really, I didn't need this, and this step can be skipped. Personally, I think these apps are just too much, like too much. Ooh. I love this pencil because it is so creamy and so short and so pretty. I'm gonna do lashes. We're using the Essence, the green one, the Essence Lash Princess. This is claimed to be, and it's really good, the best drugstore. Like I have high lashes. Do you guys know that surgeons actually have whole conversations while performing long surgeries? Like, I don't know how they do it, because I feel like I'm performing surgery on my face, because girl, that face be looking like it needs surgery sometimes, and I cannot just talk while doing it. I just can't. Alright, so I'm going to be going into, this is another product. I just need to add some life to my face. Glowing in Grease, BH Cosmetics Santorini is the color that I will be using. It looks like so, this color right here, okay? Not too much, just something, just a little something. So we are going to use the e.l.f. Sheer Slick lip product in Wild Peach. This is like a lip balm, and but it gives that peachy, pinky hue to my lips. This makes me look like I have juicy lips, right? To put on my trusty wig, and I am going to spray my face, and that's it for this look. That's it for the clean girl look. I'm going to spray my face with this Nia. It's a Nigerian brand. It's a setting spray. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Ooh. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this content. This is my version of the clean girl look. I used as little products, makeup products on my face as possible. I hope you like the look. I hope I look like I just rolled out of bed and I just woke up like this and my face is all nice. I didn't use any highlighter. The spray that I used has highlights specks in it, so that served as my highlighter. That's why I have a little glow, a little blush, and you know, just to give my lips a little life, I put that lip balm, and I think it looks absolutely exquisite, if I do say so myself. Alright, if you enjoy this content, kindly subscribe, and for those of you who already subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, please. Tell your friends, repost this, share my video, thumbs up, engage in the comment section down below. It helps YouTube to know that my video is actually alive and well. Alright, see you in my next video. I cannot wait to see you there. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. I am so appreciative.
Clean girl makeup is exactly what it sounds like. It's the fresh, minimal makeup look, and it has had like 12.6 million views on TikTok. So basically, if these are the stats, it's here to stay, and it will be a spring and summer favorite. I used more than 5 products, which is what is recommended, but basically it's more about taking care of your skin. Less product, more flawless skin, basically. I hope I nailed it. I will be doing more looks like this for you guys and get better and better. And I think I kind of like the results. Thank you for watching. See you in my next